In the quiet little town of Redbrook, where houses wore ivy-like necklaces and birds sang symphonies at sunrise, there lived a very curious and kind lady named Nicole. Nicole was no ordinary lady. Every day, she wore the most beautiful, magical dresses, sometimes shimmering like moonlight, sometimes twinkling like the stars. But no matter what she wore, she always added her most favorite thing of all. Her imagination hat, a soft velvet top hat with a feather that curled like a question mark. People whispered, "That's the lady who makes ordinary things extraordinary." And they were right. One Tuesday, the sky was grey, the cookies were plain, and the whole town seemed to say, meh. Nicole sipped her tea and noticed something. No children were laughing, no kites were flying, and even the flowers seemed tired. She reached into her hat and pulled out a glowing map with a note. In her backyard, behind the rose bush shaped like a teapot, was a door no one else could see. It only appeared when someone was ready to imagine something new. Nicole tapped her hat once, twice, 3 times. Click! The door swung open, and with a whoosh of sparkles, she stepped into the land of lost ideas. It was grey. Flat. Silent. "Where's all the color?" Nicole asked. A tiny creature with glasses made of dandelion seeds fluttered near. "I'm Wimble, the idea keeper," he said with a sigh. Puff! Out flew a cloud that turned into a rainbow slide. Children from Willowbrook, now curious about the glowing garden, peeked through the magical door. One by one, they stepped into the land of lost ideas, wide-eyed. The sky painters returned, swirling colors across the clouds. The bubble birds flapped joyfully. The story trees whispered wild, wonderful tales once again. As the children laughed and danced, Nicole gathered them in a circle. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.